Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to join your rounds without a seam with seamless joining. You can see when we are joining with chain 3 we have a visible seam here, as the chain 3 is not it's not looking as the regular double crochet stitch. In the tutorial I will show you how to make a seamless joining. As you can see in this Christmas red coaster I used the seamless joining method, and here I prepared two circles that you can compare. Here is the seam and this one is with seamless joining. With a little practice you achieve this look here. So let's start with the tutorial. I have the first round prepared for this tutorial, and now I will show you how to join your first round without a seam. When you reach the end of your round, take the loop from your hook and turn your circle. You can see the V's of the stitches. This one, this is of the chain one, and this is the V of your first stitch here, the first double crochet. Insert your hook from back to front through this V like that. Then take your loop and pull it on your hook. Pull the loop through the stitch to the back like this. Now take your loop. You must make a longer loop like that, as we will use it to make the first double crochet. Adjust it a little bit like this. Now turn your hook, yarn over this loop onto your hook, but place your thumb onto the loop so it will not turn completely. You need to make it as a yarn over, but instead of yarn over with the yarn, we will yarn over the loop itself like this. Then yarn over and pull through like a regular double crochet. Yarn over once again and complete your first double crochet. This is like a standing double crochet, and it will avoid the seam. I will show you one more time. This is the end of your round. Take the loop from your hook, insert your hook from back to front on top of your first double crochet like this. Then take the loop and put it on your hook and pull it through the stitch. Leave a longer, make the loop a little longer. Take your yarn again and yarn over with the loop itself. As I said, place your finger on the thumb on your loop to secure it. Then yarn over once again for the double crochet itself. Yarn over and finish the double crochet. Then we are making one more double crochet into the same stitch. Then continue making 2 double crochet as per usual. And I will continue making 2 double crochet into each stitch, and I will show you one more time how to join it in the end of round 2. Now we reach the end of round 2, and here is the standing double crochet that we made in the beginning of the round. I will show it like that. As you can see, the V stitch of your first standing double crochet is a little bit split. It's not like this one here. So we are repeating the same again, but be careful to take the to take the loops of the V-stitch of this here, not like that, but the first loop is here, which is the back loop, and this is the front loop of the stitch. Then pull your loop through the stitch again, like this, and repeat. Yarn over with the loop and make the double crochet. Then continue working your pattern. This is how it will look in the end. As you can see, the seam is almost invisible, and with a little practice you will have a full invisible seamless joining, as I did in my coaster here. And I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you, and if you like this video tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell button. See you in the next video tutorial.